There is little Woody Woodpecker. I hope he does not fly away. Oh, you little weasel, he flew away. He's up on that tree. Haha. Little Woody was here, my little buddy. He'll be back. Little Woody. He likes all this stuff, you know? This is the new one right here. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah. They want what? Like $84 for this on the damn phone, you know, through the mail. I got it for 12 something, $12 and change. 2 things for the silhouette on either side. And cardinal bird seeds. Yep. I just put this up today. And that's their little bird bath. Nice clean mountain water for them. They could drink it, the little critters could. Or the birds, they could take a little bath. Who cares, you know? If they want. Whatever they want, they can have it. My little buddies, you know? And I got the more stuff over here. Another birdhouse. 2 socks with the thistle seeds, you know? Yeah. And these birds eat very well. That's the best food you can get from these guys. Before you know it, I'll have this clothesline so filled up with bird feeders. I'll have all the birds in Luzerne County, PA. All of them will be coming here. Check that out. Anyway, and that red one, I'm sure you all know what that is. That's for the hummingbirds. And they come around, believe me. Oh, there's Woody. He's back. I knew he'd come back. Ha ha. And Penguin Face was just there. He left. These woodpeckers are very timid. Let me tell you. Very timid indeed. And this is all the wood. Remember how small it was? Well, I went back and I got even more wood, you know? Now that will last you a long time. For me, anyway. I could make this last even longer if I use it just for food, to cook, you know what I mean? It would last a long time. Always good to have wood. But, yeah, that's it. If I catch Woody, I'll get him. He comes early. He comes at sunrise and sunset. And he also comes during the day too. But you wouldn't believe, I've seen cardinals come here in 4s. Even I seen 5 and 6 of them in one shot. Running around the grass, all over these bird feeders, you know? And yeah, Woody comes over here to get this thing, and he's been pecking at it. Little Woody Woodpecker. He likes pecking away at all this stuff. Who's that? That's Woody. There he goes. See him? He thinks that's a piece of a tree or something. It's metal. Don't try pecking that, Woody. You'll break your beak. The way they move their head is really cool, you know? And he has a wife that comes around. One is bigger than the other one, you know? It's real cool. Stop hiding, Woody. They're so damn timid, you know what I mean? See him sticking his head out. There he goes. There's little Woody. Don't be afraid, Woody. I'm not gonna hurt you, little weasel. He lives over there somewhere. Keeps flying back over there. Well, make sure you bring your wife back next time, all right? She's more than welcome. And here's the two big black dogs. Well, there's one of them. Hey, puppy. Hey, Blackie. Blackie. Here comes his buddy. Yeah. They came over here one day. I said, what the hell? I seen some big black thing running across my door in the kitchen. I said, what the heck is this? Hey, Blackie, what's up? No bark. Oh, yeah, I thought you'd bark. Yeah, woof, woof, woof to you, too. Yeah, go get him. You guard the house, boy. Good boy. Guard the house. You don't get all that apple for nothing, you know. But they came over, and they started eating the duck that was left. I left it for the little skunk, you know, gentleman skunk who comes around, you know. Yeah, see you later, Blackie. But little Woody, he will be back. He always comes back. And then he brings his little wife with him, which is cool. But, and who's that over there? Anyway, the birds and the bees and the big black dogs, all here. All here. Woody will be back in a little while. You know? He's a good little woodpecker. I like little peckerhead Woody. On the money, you know? But that was a real good deal on this birdhouse, I'm telling you. You try getting this online. You go to Amazon, see what you pay. I got this at Ollie's. You all in PA, you know about Ollie's. I'm sure you do. And there's the big, the blue mansion. I figured I'd put it over here. Anyway, it's all filled up, set up, but these guys, no sooner do you wife fill it up, that it's all gone. These birds, you wouldn't believe, there's a whole lot of birds that come here. It would amaze you. I'm not kidding. Anyway, take care, brothers and sisters.